Tidal power generation. Tidal power generation. The generation of electricity using tidal power is termed as tidal power generation. It is basically the transformation of tidal power found in tidal motion of water in seas and ocean into electrical energy. Tidal power. The tidal power is the power inherent in tides at sea of oceans. That is power of motion of water accounted by tides. Tides are defined as the increase and decrease in water levels due to motion of water from one place to other. Thus, there is a renewable source of energy in tidal motion. In tidal motion of water at seas and ocean, this source of energy could be used to generate other type of energy that could be useful in industrial applications. This is done using a very basic idea involving the use of barrage of a small dam built at the entrance of a bay where tides are known to reach very high level of variation. This barrage will trip tidal water behind it is creating a difference in water level which will in turn create potential energy. This potential energy will then be used creating kinetic energy as doors in the barrage are opened and the water rush from the high level to the low level. This kinetic energy will be converted into rotational kinetic energy that will rotate turbines giving electrical energy. Picture 1 shows the process in very simple terms. Tidal motions. This is the tidal motions, barrage, potential energy, opening of barrage doors, kinetic energy, and uses turbines, electrical energy, and diagram showing a transformation of tidal energy to electrical energy. Physical concept of the tidal phenomena. Tidal movements in sea are due to increase of water level at a certain area in the globe and the decrease of water level at other area. This is basically due to factors the gravitational force between the sun, moon, and earth, the rotation of the moon and earth, as there are gravitational force between the moon and the earth. Seas, oceans, water is pulled away from the earth towards the moon at the area where the moon and the earth are in front of each other. At the opposite side of the earth, the water is being pushed away from the earth due to centrifugal force. Thus, there are two areas where the water level are high and other area where the water level is low. Thus, the tidal motion of water is created. This called the lunar tide. Working of tidal power generation systems in very simple terms of barrage is built at the entrance of a gulf and the water level vary on both sides of the small dam. The passages are made inside the dam and water flow through these passages and turbines rotate due to the flow of water under head of water. Thus, electricity is created using the turbines. A general diagram of the system is in figures though. This is the givens below of figures. This is the high water marks and sluice gates, barrage, seas, turbines, low water marks, and strawberry floors. General schemes of the tidal power station. The component of tidal power station are a barrage. A barrage is a small wall built at the entrance of gulf in order to trap water behind it. It will either trap it by keeping it from going to the Gulf when water level at the sea are high. Yeah, it will keep water from going into sea when water level at the sea is low. Turbines. They are the component responsible for converting potential energy into kinetic energy. They are located in the passageway that the water flow through when gates of barrage are opened. Slice The slice gates are the ones responsible for the flow of water through the barrage. They could be they could be seen pictures too. Embankment. They are caissons made out of concrete to prevent water from flowing at certain parts of the dam and to help maintenance work and electrical wiring to be connected. Yeah, used to move equipment of cars over it. The following is a list of different methods of obtaining power from tidal power station. Ebb methods. First, water starts to ebb, yeah, go towards the sea. Second, the gates are left closed, keeping the water trap in basin to increase its level. Third, then water release out towards the sea, rotating turbines creating electrical energy. Flood method. First, water is left into the basin when it is empty. Second, as the turbine are rotated and the electrical energy is created. Ebb pulse pumping methods. First, the turbines are operated as pumps and pumping the water into basin at the flood period. Second, water level in the basin in increase and creating a greater head. Third, at the ebb phase, the water is left out of the basin, creating energy for longer time than usual due to be increased head. Two-way power generation. First, starting with the basin full, the gates are opened, letting water flow out and generating energy. Second, turbines are reversed, and the flow will be reversed. Third, the gates are closed when the flood period, yeah, cycle start. Water start to be built up behind the dam. Fifth, when the sufficient head is achieved, the gates are opened to start the flood generation cycle as the water flow into the basin. Fifth, two basin generation method. First two basin are built, one called a high level basin and the other is the low level basin. Second, the turbines are placed into the wall dividing two basins. Third, the high level basin is filled at high tide, yeah, flood period. Fourth, then the low level basin is filled through the turbines from the high level basin. Fifth, the low level basin is emptied at low tide ebb period. Advantage of tidal power generations. There are many advantages of generation power from tide. Some of them are listed below. Tidal power, renewable and sustainable energy resource. The reduced dependence upon fossil fuels. The produce no liquid or solid pollution. It has little visual impact. Tidal power exists on a worldwide scale from deep ocean waters. If offered short time scale between investing in the modular construction and benefiting from the revenue tidal driven coastal currents provide an energy density 4 times greater than air, meaning that a 15 meters diameter turbines will generate as much energy as a 16-meter diameter windmill. Tidal current are both predictables and reliable, a features which gives them an advantage over both wind and solar system. Power outputs can be accurately calculated far in advance, allowing for easy integration with existing electricity grid. The tidal turbines offer sufficient environment advantage over wind and solar system. The majority of assembly is hidden below the water line and all cabling is along the sea bed. Sea water is 832 times as dense as air. Therefore, the kinetic energy available from a 5 knot ocean current is equivalent to wind velocity of 270 km per hour. Disadvantage and constant tidal power generation. Unfortunately, there are also disadvantages and limitations to generating tidal power. Some of these are: at the present time, both tide and wave energy are suffering for orientation problem, in the sense that neither method is strictly economical except in few locations throughout the world on a large scale in comparison with conventional power source. Tidal power systems do not generate electricity at a steady rate and thus not necessarily at time of peak demand. So unless a way can be found of storing energy efficiently, and any strong device currently available in accord a considerable loss, they would not help in reducing the overall need for fossil power station, but only allow them to run at lower rating for a certain amount of the time. Tidal fences could present some difficulty to migration fish. Magneto-hydrodynamic power generation. Magneto-hydrodynamic power generation, the way of generating electricity directly from a fast moving stream of ionized gas without the need for any moving mechanical parts. No rotating turbines and generator is termed as a magneto-hydrodynamic power generation. MHD power generation has also been situated as a method for extracting electrical power from nuclear reactor and also from one more conventional fuel combustion system. Working principle. Pictures 1 given that explain the principle of operation of MHD. The MHD generator can be considered to be a fluid dynamo. This is similar to mechanical dynamo, in which the motion of metal conductor through a magnetic field creates a current in the conductor, whereas the MHD generator, the metal conductor is replaced by conducting gas plasma. The flow motion of the conducting plasma through a magnetic field causes a voltage to generate and associate current to flow across the plasma perpendicular to both plasma flow and the magnetic field according to Fleming right hand rules. In this given picture, so that the DC voltage outputs north and south poles is perpendiculars of a nice plasma. This is the electrodes, and this is the parts of magnetic field shows that, and it is denoted by motion of conductor plasma current, and this is the denoted by EMF induced voltage electric current. The MHD generator needs to high temperature gas source, which could be the coolant from a nuclear reactor, या more likely high temperature combustion gases generated by burning fossil fuels including coal in a combustion chamber. The pictures to show the component of this system. Given that pictures 2, this is the ionized gas generator and DC power exhaust gases MHD generator, impedance nozzle and combustion chambers. This is the fuse and airs, a compressor shows that heat changer and air. This is the part of exhaust gases opens a cycle using a conventional fuels. Expansion nozzles. It is reduce the gas pressure and consequently increase the plasma speed. Bernoulli's law through the generator duct increase the power output. At the same time, the pressure drop causes the plasma temperature to fall. Gray-Lussac's law, which also increase the plasma resistance. So, compromise between Bernoulli and Gay-Lussac must be found. The exhaust heat from the working fluid is used to drive a compressor to increase the fuel combustions. rate, but most of the heat will be wasted unless it can be used in another process. The plasma, the prime MHD systems requirement is creating and managing the conducting gas plasma. Since the system depends on the plasma having a high electrical conductivity, the plasma can be fourth state of matter after the solid, liquid and gaseous states, in which the atoms or molecules are stripped of their electrons, leaving positive charged and suitable working fluids are gases which derives from combustion. Noble gas are alkali metal vapors, the gas plasma. To achieve high conductivity, the gas must be ionized by detaching the electrons from the atom of molecules, leaving the positively charged plasma. The plasma flow through the magnetic field at the high speed. In some design, more than speed of sound, the flow of positively charged particles, providing the moving electrical conductors the necessary of including a current in the external electrical circuit. Method of ionizing the gas. Various methods of ionizing the gas are available, all which depend on imparting sufficient energy to the gas. It may be accomplished by heating or radiating the gas with X-ray, gamma ray. It has also been proposed to use the coolant gas such as helium and carbon dioxide employed is some nuclear reactor as the plasma fuel for direct MHD, direct electricity generation, rather than extracting the heat energy of the gas through heat exchanger to raise steam to drive turbine generators. Seed materials such as potassium carbonate or calcium are often added a small amount, typically about 1% the total mass flow, to increase the ionization and improve conductivity, particularly of combustion gas plasma. Containment. Since the plasma temperature is typically over 1000 degrees centigrade, the duct containing the plasma must be constructed from the non-conducting material capable of withstanding this high temperature. The electrode must be conducting as well as heat resistant. resistant. Faraday currents. The powerful electromagnet provide the magnetic field through which the plasma flow, and perpendicular to this field, two electrodes are installed, one opposite side of the plasma, across which the electrical output voltage is generated. The current flow across the plasma between these electrodes is called the Faraday's current. This provides the main electrical output of the MHD generators. Power output. The output is proportional to a cross sectional area and the flow rate of ionized plasma. The conductivity substance is also cooled and slowed in this process. MHD generator typically reduce the temperature of the conductive substance from plasma temperature to just from 1000 degree centigrade. An image generator produces a direct current output which needs an expensive high power inverter to convert the output into alternating current for connecting to the grid. Efficiency. The typical efficiency of image generator are around 10 to 20%, mainly due to the heat lost through the high temperature exhaust. This limits the MHD proportional application as a stand-alone device, but they were originally designed to be used in combination with other energy converters in hybrid application where the output gas flames are used as energy source to raise steam in a steam turbine plant. Total plant efficiency of 65% could be possible in such arrangements. Experiences. So demonstration plants with capacity of 50 megawatt या more have been built in several countries, but MHD generators are expensive. Typically used could be in peak saving application, but they are less efficient than combined cycle gas turbines, which means there are very few installations and MHD currently not considered for mainstream commercial power generation. Advantage of MHD generation: here only working fluid is circulated and there are no moving mechanical parts. This reduces the mechanical losses to nil and make the operation more efficiency. Temperature of working fluid is maintained the wall of MHD. It has the ability to reach full power level most almost directly. MHD has very high efficiency. MHD has very high efficiency. The price of MHD is very low.